Are you feeling discomfort in your joints, stiffness in your knees, or weakness in your legs? What if I told you that something as simple as a cup of yogurt could be a game changer for your arthritis pain and leg strength? Would that surprise you? Because what you're about to learn has already transformed the lives of countless seniors around the world. Let me share a real story with you. Margaret, a 67-year-old retired teacher from Ohio, had been battling arthritis for years. Every morning she would wake up to the sound of her knees cracking and the dull ache that followed her all day. She tried medications, ointments, and supplements, but nothing gave her lasting relief. Then one afternoon, her granddaughter suggested trying a yogurt routine she'd read about online. Skeptical but hopeful, Margaret decided to give it a shot. Within 3 weeks of adding 4 special types of yogurt to her diet, her stiffness started fading, her energy returned, and she could finally walk her dog again without holding her knees. What Margaret experienced wasn't a miracle. It was science and nutrition working together in the most natural way possible. Today, we'll explore those 4 powerful yogurts that don't just taste delicious, but can actually fight inflammation, strengthen your muscles, and protect your joints from pain. These are not passing health fads. They're backed by real research and expert recommendations for people over 50 who want to stay active, strong, and pain-free. Let's begin with the first one, Greek yogurt, the muscle builder and protector your legs have been craving. Most people think yogurt is just a light snack, but Greek yogurt is in a league of its own. It's thicker, richer, and contains almost double the protein of regular yogurt. Why is that important? Because after age 50, we begin losing muscle mass, especially in the legs and hips. This makes climbing stairs or getting up from a chair harder over time. Greek yogurt with up to 20 grams of protein per cup gives your muscles the raw material to rebuild and stay strong. It also delivers calcium and vitamin D to support bone health, while its probiotics fight inflammation at the root. For Margaret, her daily morning bowl of Greek yogurt with blueberries became her mobility medicine. The pain didn't vanish overnight, but with each passing week, her steps grew lighter, her balance improved, and her confidence returned. Next comes turmeric yogurt, a golden gift for aching joints. This is where food becomes healing. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of nature's strongest anti-inflammatory agents. But there's a secret. Curcumin needs healthy fats to be absorbed, and that's exactly what yogurt provides. When you mix turmeric into full-fat yogurt and add a pinch of black pepper, you supercharge its power. The result? Less joint swelling, reduced morning stiffness, and easier movement throughout the day. Margaret began taking a small cup of turmeric yogurt after lunch. Within weeks, she said it felt like the fire in my knees finally went out. You can make it sweet with honey and cinnamon or savory with herbs and lemon. It's versatile and effective. Now let's move to the omega-3 enriched yogurt, which works like a natural lubricant for your joints. You know that grinding sound your knees make when you get up? That's friction from lack of synovial fluid. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish oil, flaxseed, and chia, help your body produce more of that joint protective fluid. When added to yogurt, omega-3s combine with probiotics to form a powerhouse that fights inflammation and restores smooth movement. Many brands sell omega-3 fortified yogurts, but you can easily make your own by mixing chia seeds or flaxseed oil into a cup of Greek yogurt. Margaret did exactly that. 1 spoonful every morning. She noticed that after 2 weeks, she could bend her knees without hearing that annoying creak. It wasn't magic, it was biology. Omega-3s rebuild what age slowly takes away. And now for the fourth and most powerful of all, collagen-boosting yogurt, often called the youth elixir for joints. Collagen is the protein that keeps your body strong and flexible. It holds your skin firm, cushions your joints, and connects your muscles to your bones. The problem is that after our 40s, collagen production starts dropping fast, leading to joint stiffness, weaker ligaments, and slower recovery. Collagen-enriched yogurt helps reverse that process. Unlike regular yogurt, this one contains hydrolyzed collagen peptides, tiny molecules that your body can absorb instantly to repair cartilage and connective tissue. To make it even more effective, pair it with vitamin C from fruits like strawberries or kiwi, and zinc-rich seeds like pumpkin or chia. These nutrients help your body rebuild collagen naturally. Margaret began blending her own collagen yogurt at home. Greek yogurt, a scoop of unflavored collagen powder, a handful of berries, and a sprinkle of seeds. It tasted like dessert, she laughed, but my body knew it was medicine. Over the next month, her mobility skyrocketed and her morning pain faded into memory. Each of these 4 yogurts plays a vital role in your body's renewal system. Greek yogurt builds muscle, turmeric yogurt fights inflammation, omega-3 yogurt lubricates joints, and collagen yogurt repairs the deeper tissues that keep you moving. When combined, they form a complete strategy for strength, balance, and freedom from pain. And the best part? These aren't exotic or expensive remedies. They're everyday foods you can find in your local grocery store. The secret isn't in buying something new. It's in using what you already have in smarter, more intentional ways. Think about it. One simple change in your daily routine could mean the difference between pain and power, between stiffness and strength. Margaret's story proves it's never too late to heal. You have the same potential. Your body is waiting to respond the moment you give it what it truly needs. You don't have to live with chronic discomfort. You can rebuild, restore, and rejuvenate naturally. So the next time you open your refrigerator, remember that healing might be sitting right there in a cup of yogurt. Make it your daily ritual and watch your body thank you in ways you can feel every single day. If you like this video, then like and subscribe to our channel, The Seniors Hub, where we share real stories, natural solutions, and science-backed health tips to help you live stronger, longer, and pain-free.